Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will learn about how to move mails from one mail folder to another mail folder like inbox to a spam or any other custom folders using move IMAP mail message activity. So let's go to the UiPath Studio and we'll see how to do that. So here I'm opening UiPath Studio. You can see the screen. Here I'm creating the workflow. So firstly I'm taking secure get secure credential. As we discussed in previous videos, I have used these activities before. So here I'm writing target value, that is a robo 2. In robo 2 I have already stored the Gmail credential that is stored in the Windows credential manager. Here I am stored robo 2. So that's why I'm using here robo 2. So after that, here I'm creating a workflow password, control K, password, and after that, here I'm creating another variable, control K, username. Okay, and after that, here I'm getting the another activity, that is get mail gil. Now we need to configure this activity. So this activity I already discussed in the previous videos. So you can watch that video as. So here I'm writing the port number 993 and the server name. Here I'm writing in the double quote IMAP dot gmail.com, and after that we need to give here the email ID that is stored in the username variable. So use that, and after that I'm providing the here password, that is the secure password, and after that we need to provide the here output variable, create a output variable, the control K. I'm providing the list, mail list, mail list, mail list, and here I want to get only 2 mails. That's why I'm writing here 2 mails. If you want to get 30 mails, you can leave it as it is, and you can provide provide here as your need. And if here you can see only 100 messages will get, so you can check here. If you want to only 100 messages, you want to read message as well, so you can check here as well. So only I want to read the 100 messages, so that's why I'm putting here. So after that I get the mail from the email. Now I want to move that email to another folder. So for that I need to mm, activity is move IMAP mail activity. So now we need to configure here. So here I am writing the port number, that is a 993 for the IMAP, and the server name is IMAP dot gmail.com. After that, here we need to from folder. So in which folder you want to get the message and move to the another folder. So here we need to like the input folder. So you need to here write the input folder, that is a inbox, and mail messages. So mail messages I must store in the mail list. So here I'm writing the mail list, and after that I'm providing the mail folder. In which folder I wanted to move? So I wanted to move test folder. Okay, and so if you see here showing the error because this is a multiple mail here. So in the move IMAP mail activity I want to move one mails. So if I'm providing here the 0 index, so it will send the one message. Okay, you can see still showing the error. Now save this file and we'll see optional activity because of we not provided here the mail username and the password. We provide the secure password. Okay, and save this flow. You can see here now one mail moved to the target folder, destination folder, but we need to move multiple mails. So for that, here I'm using the for each activity. For each activity, in the for each activity, here I'm using the mail list. In the mail list and the body, in the body section, drag it and drop here in the body. Okay, and now we need not provide to here the mail list. Here I'm providing the current item. So now it's complete. So our flow is ready. We'll save the flow and run the flow and we'll see the output. So firstly I will show you the mail. So you can see here I want to get these two mails, 1 and 2. So in these two mails, this is in the inbox folder, but I wanted to move in the test folder. So now we'll run the flow and see that output. Now our process is completed. Now we can check the mail. So go to the, here you can see the two mails, and now I'm going to test and refresh it. You can see two mails are moved from here. One is a Rajrastogi and the one is a Google security, that is moved to in this folder. So I hope you understand the how to move mails from one folder to another folder. If you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We'll provide the solution. That's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.